LOGIQ4FEED for high feed milling. Iscar introduces LOGIQ4FEED for high feed milling. New, medium diameter fast feed tools carrying narrow bone-shaped inserts with 4 cutting edges. The new FFX4-04 tools are available in the following configurations. FFX4ED, end mills in 12, 16, 20, 25, and 32 mm diameters, cylindrical and weld-on shank types. FFX4ED-MM, 16 mm diameter interchangeable milling head with multi-master adaptation. FFX4ED-M, interchangeable milling heads with flex fit adaptation in 20, 25, 32, and 35 mm diameters. FFX4FD, 32 and 40 mm diameter face mills. The tools feature a 17-degree cutting edge angle, a positive axial rake angle, ramping down capability, and a 1.8 mm radius for programming, as well as a fine pitch due to the narrow insert width and very firm insert clamping. Coolant holes are directed to each individual cutting edge for an efficient cooling effect and a polished coating on the cutter's body that facilitates better chip flow and protection from corrosion and wear. The FFX4XNMU040310 double-sided bone-shaped insert has 4 cutting edges with a high positive rake angle for easy cut and a 0.8 mm maximum depth of cut. Produced from Iscar's latest SumoTech carbide grade to ensure high productivity, the insert is available with 2 types of cutting geometries for optimal machining of different materials. T for steel, ferritic, and martensitic stainless steel, cast iron, and hardened steel, and HP for austenitic stainless steel and high-temperature alloys. Covering a wide range of applications for roughing operations in the die and mold industry from machining narrow cavities, general engineering, and the aerospace industry, LOGIQ4FEED tools enable high metal removal rates and offer an economical solution for machining the main types of workpiece materials.